to find whether or not a loop exists in a linked list, what you need to do is create two different nodes. The first will be a slow node and the second node would be fast. What I mean by slow and fast is the slow node will move one step at a time and the fast node will move two steps at a time. To code that up, what I'll do is I'll explain this in a minute. So while slow exists, while fast exists, and while there is a next node after fast. Slow and fast are nodes inside this linked list. Now initially these are going to be equal to head. Now like I said, slow will move one node at a time and fast will move two nodes at a time. Now the idea is if there are two nodes, slow and fast is moving twice as fast than the slow node, then at some point if a loop exists in a linked list, they will meet. So let's put that in condition. If slow is equals to fast, we will just return true. But just in case slow is never equal to fast in this loop, we will just return false. So what's happening here is there are two nodes, slow and fast. Fast will move twice as fast as the slow node. That is why we are checking if fast has a next element, because we are going to move fast to the next of its next element. So this particular value has to be true. And if there is a loop which exists, at some point slow will be equals to fast. At that point we will return true. If a loop does not exist, then at some point fast will become null and this loop will end and then we will return false. So now let's try to run this. And there you go. This is how you detect a loop in linked list. For this example, you can see there is a loop, so the output is true.